Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to learn how to convert metric units of length. In my previous video I showed you how to change a kilometer to meters, meters to centimeters, and centimeters to millimeters. In this video we're going to learn how to change a millimeter to centimeter, a centimeter to meter, a meter to kilometer. When you're changing a millimeter to a centimeter, you divide that number by 10th because 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. When you're changing a centimeter to meter, you divide it with 100 because 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meters. And when you're changing a meter to a kilometer, you divide it with 1,000. It's the same procedure. You were moving forward, you were timing it with 10, with 1,000 and 100. When you're moving back, you divide it with 10, 100, and 1,000. Let's get started with the question. We're going to use this table of ours to convert our numbers. Let's get started. The first question is 2,500 meters to kilometers. Now look at the chart. It says meters to kilometers. So to do this, we need to divide the number with 1,000. Let's do this. 2,500 divided with 1,000. First thing, if you have zeros, you can cancel the zeros with the zeros. What's left? It's 25 by 10. So 25 by 10, there's 1 0 left. So from here, you'll just make one hump and you will put the point. If there's a decimal, you can use that decimal to move. I'm going to teach in my next video how we work with the decimal numbers. In this video, we're not working on decimal numbers. We're just working on normal numbers. So it's 25 by 10. You just make a hump from the right side to the left side. And it's 2.5. So our answer is 2.5 kilometers. Let's move on to the next question. 800 centimeters to meters. Now look at the chart, centimeters to meters. When you change centimeters to meters, you divide it with 100. Let's do that. We're going to divide it with 100. 1, 2. 0 cancel with 0. What is left with us is 8. So what is our answer? 8. Next question. It says 23 centimeters to kilometers. Centimeters to kilometers divided with 100,000. So we have 23 divided with 100,000. We have no zeros to cancel here. So what's the plan? We're going to make how many humps? How many zeros are there? We have 5 zeros, so we're going to make 5 humps. And we're moving from right to left. As if you see our table here, also we're moving from right to left. That's why we're going to move on to right to left. Let's do that. Oopsie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 humps. And I added my decimal here. But these humps are empty. So I'm going to fill them with zeros. So what is my answer? My answer is 0.00023. And I'm going to add another 0 here. So my answer is 0.00023 kilometers. Let's erase this. I'm going to erase my highlighter paddle as well here. Let's move on to the next question. It says 450 millimeters to centimeters. So millimeters to centimeters. Look at the chart. It says millimeters to centimeters. You divide it with what? You divide it with 10. Let's do it. 450 divided with 10. Oh, we have a 0. So we're going to cancel that 0 with 0. What's left? It's 45 centimeters. This is our answer. Let's go to the next one. It's 24 millimeters to meters. Look at the chart. Meters, millimeters to meters is divided by this all. So it's 100 and 10. So it's 1,000. We're going to combine the zeros. 24 divided by 1,000. Oh, there is no zero to cancel. So what's the plan? We're going to add the humps. We're going to add the humps from here. 3 humps. 1, 2, 3, and we put a decimal here. This is an empty place. I'm going to add a 0. The answer is 0, 2, 4, and my decimal is here, and I'm going to add a 0 before. So it's 0.024 meters. Move on to the next one. 450 mm to kilometers. Now, mm to kilometers. How many zeros are there? There are like 6 zeros, and that means we're going to divide it with 1 million. It's going to be a big number, I feel. Let's do it. 450 divided by 1 million. Okay, there's a 0. I canceled a 0. Now, what's left? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make 5 humps from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I put my decimal here. I'm going to add my zeros in there under the humps because they were empty. Let me write my answer. It's 0, 0, 0, 4, 5. And I had my 0. So it's 0.00045 kilometers. Move on to the next one. 67 centimeters to meters. Now let's see. Centimeters to meters. It's just divided by 100. 67 divided by 100. There is no 0 to cancel. So 1, 2. 2 humps from here. 1, 2. And I put my hump. So it's 0.67. 0.67. Let me tell you one thing again. When you are dividing, you're moving back. So you're moving your decimals also back. If you have a decimal, you start from a decimal. If you don't have a decimal, you just start from this point and you move back. If you're moving front in your chart, then in the decimal also you move in the front when you're changing from kilometers to meters. Anyways, in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to change a decimal number from a kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, and centimeter to millimeters. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.